Look at this guy. He shows up and calls me an ugly drunk because, of course, that's the angle of attack that's gonna undo me, right? You don't shoot Batman in his fucking Batman logo. You really believe if I let a guy like this do whatever he wants, he gets bored and vanishes?
Rick, would you be interested in proving me wrong?
Yes.
Is that man dead?
He's fine.
What the hell?
Heck, how about a little piss? I am Pissmaster, here to flush the toilet. That is Rick Sanchez. Who's that redhead? Wouldn't mind spraying her with a golden shower.
Oh my God, what? Hey!
Okay, that's it.
Jerry, please think about this.
Then go away!
Make me.
Go away! Come on, you dirty motherfucker.
Mercy, mercy, stop! I give up!
Apologize to my daughter.
Sorry I sexualized you.
That's my dad. That's my fucking dad.